In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method in Mailchimp. Managing your billing settings in Mailchimp is crucial, especially if you're preparing to change or simply remove a payment method. So let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have the clarity needed to make these changes with confidence. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and sign in using the account that possesses billing permissions. Typically, these permissions belong to the owner or an admin of the account. Once you're logged in, your journey begins by navigating to your account settings, which is where you can make changes to your billing details. Click on your profile icon, located typically in the bottom left corner of the Mailchimp interface. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Account and Billing. This will guide you to the main area where you can manage your billing preferences. Next, on the left sidebar, find and click on Billing, followed by Payment Methods. Here, all your saved payment methods will display. This might include your default method, often a credit card or PayPal account, and any additional options you've previously recorded. It's important to note what each method is labeled as, particularly if you have a method set as default. If you decide that a particular payment method needs to be removed, the process is straightforward. Spot the trash icon next to the method you wish to delete and click it. Mailchimp will then pop up a confirmation prompt to ensure this is your intended action, asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this payment method?" If it's your only payment method on an active paid plan, remember that Mailchimp won't allow removal unless you either downgrade to a free plan or add a new payment method to replace the existing one. For those who are updating a card, rather than removing it entirely, Mailchimp makes this easy. Click on Add Payment Method to enter new credit or debit card details. After successfully adding, don't forget to set it as the default to prevent any billing issues, then remove the older card. If your goal is to erase all payment information completely, you'll need to first switch to Mailchimp's free plan. Navigate to Billing and then Plans and Upgrades. Here, click Switch to Free Plan and confirm your downgrade. Once your plan is downgraded, revisit payment methods and remove all listed cards. With this final step, Mailchimp won't charge you going forward, and your payment details will be expunged from their system. We hope this breakdown helps keep your Mailchimp account organized and up to date. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.